Now for hand jogging the machine and moving the tool around manually. It's really, again, quite simple. This is the jog wheel here, and these are the buttons that you'll use to command which axis you're jogging. So in this case, I want to jog the Z axis, and I want it in the plus mode. That means that every click I make on the plus sign here is going to move and correlate to the handle down there. This wheel has a detent in it, and you can feel a click distinctively, and every time you click it, one click, the tool is going to move one increment. As you can see here, I'm hand jogging that wheel, and the Z axis is moving accordingly. To do this X axis, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to hit the X on the keypad here. You'll see the yellow line changes through to the X axis, and then you can rotate the handle and the machine will move that way. Once again, every click is one increment. Now the increments can be measured in millimeters, tenths of millimeters, hundredths of millimeters, and thousandths of millimeters. To select the size of the increments, you use these four buttons here. On the right over here, this is going to move the tool 1 millimeter per click. This is good for rapidly moving the tool around, but this is not a good idea for machining, because it is going to move the machine much too quickly, and it's easy to get ahead of the speed the machine is capable of using on this click wheel. The thing to note is that if you click 30 clicks on here, the machine will continue to move until it has completed a motion for every single click. This means it can be easy to crash the machine. So once you've got the tool close to where you want to work, then you should reduce the rate of motion so that it is much less sensitive. Now, using this setup, you could quite easily come up to this machine and do simple machining processes just using the hand jog wheel.